The Volvo XC90 key fob for 2016 to 2018 models uses a CR2032 battery for its remote and keyless functions. You'll need a small plastic pry tool or flathead screwdriver to open the fob safely. Insert the tool into the seam near the keyring hole and gently twist to open the case. Some cases may be glued shut. If so, use a hairdryer to gently heat the seam for 10 to 20 seconds to loosen the adhesive. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up. The positive side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together, ensuring all clips are aligned properly. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the case or internal components. The key fob should now work for remote functions and keyless entry. After replacing the battery, test the remote by pressing the buttons to ensure it locks and unlocks the vehicle. If the remote doesn't work, try resyncing it by holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds within 5 feet of your vehicle. If issues persist, ensure the new battery is fresh and reads approximately 3 volts with a multimeter. Common mistakes include misaligned clips during reassembly or water ingress, both of which can lead to short circuits. Experts recommend using genuine batteries to prevent corrosion and taking anti-static precautions to protect the fob's electronics. If the case is difficult to open or syncing fails, consider professional help to avoid damaging the fob or requiring ECU resets. Professional repairs typically cost between $50 and $100. Note that Volvo is phasing out physical key fobs in favor of smartphone-based keys for newer models.